How to disable Improve Harmful App Detection on Google Play Store. If you're concerned about your privacy on Android, there's a setting in Google Play Protect that you may want to review. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap Play Protect. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see the Scan Apps with Play Protect option and Improve Harmful App Detection. I recommend keeping Scan Apps with Play Protect turned on because it helps protect your phone by checking apps for potentially harmful or malicious software. Now, look for Improve Harmful App Detection. This optional feature can send information about unknown apps to Google to help Google's ability to detect potentially harmful applications. If you're more concerned about limiting the information you share with Google, you can turn this option off. Keep in mind that disabling it may reduce the amount of information Google receives to improve its harmful app detection system, but it doesn't turn off Play Protect itself. So you can keep Scan Apps with Play Protect enabled while turning off Improve Harmful App Detection. And that's how you can manage the Improve Harmful App Detection setting in Google Play Protect. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.